because I totally messed up in that. I bought myself some of these. Yeah, right. Hopefully you're enjoying the last video on the Black Friday bargains that I got. This week I'm going to correct a mistake I made in my tea light candle holder video because I totally messed up in that. I didn't put anything down about a layer between the holder and the candle because otherwise the wood could smoke and could catch fire. I did some more research and I checked Leo's video at Hand Eye Craft and I bought myself some of these, which are actual tea light candle holders, and it also meant I need to buy a new Forstner bit, so I had to get a 42mm one. So I'll go and get everything on the drill press, get it set up and see if I can actually correct the mistake on the existing piece I've got. So for this next bit, what we need is the holder, rubber mallet, a piece of scrap wood, and then obviously 6 holders and some super glue. Get the super glue. Put a bit on the sides. Not going to use an activator. Just going to simply push that down and hopefully that's it. At least that's how Leo does it. Hopefully you can see there's no spacing in between the holders and the base. I maybe didn't quite draw it down enough on that one, but as you can see, the rest, there's no gap.